For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Drone photography is an exciting and rapidly growing field offering services to real estate agents, event planners, construction companies, and more. Starting a drone photography business can be highly profitable if executed with the right planning, tools, and marketing. With the help of free AI tools, you can significantly reduce startup costs and streamline your operations. This guide will walk you step by step through the process, from planning to launching your drone photography business. Step 1. Research the market and define your niche. Before investing in equipment or marketing, understand who your clients will be and what type of drone photography services are in demand in your area. Use ChatGPT to conduct market research by entering a prompt like, "Act as a market analyst. What are the most in-demand drone photography services in your city or region?" You can also use free tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to find what people are searching for related to drone photography. If you want to narrow your niche, you can ask ChatGPT, "Give me 5 profitable drone photography niches and their ideal target clients." Examples might include real estate, weddings, agriculture, or inspections. Step 2. Write a business plan using AI. Once you understand the market and your niche, create a detailed business plan. You don't need to start from scratch. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a simple business plan for a drone photography business targeting your niche. Include mission statement, services offered, target market, pricing model, and startup costs. You can revise the plan by asking, "Make this business plan more suitable for a part-time solo operator using affordable equipment." The plan will help you stay focused and may be necessary if you seek funding in the future. Step 3. Learn the legal requirements. Operating a drone for commercial use in most countries, including the United States, requires licensing. In the U.S., you must pass the FAA Part 107 exam. ChatGPT can help you study by using this prompt. Create a study plan and quiz questions to help me pass the FAA Part 107 drone license exam. Also, make sure to check your local regulations on where drones can fly and whether insurance is required. You can use a prompt like, "What are the local drone laws and insurance requirements for commercial drone operators in your city/state?" and then verify through official government websites. Step 4. Acquire equipment strategically. You don't need the most expensive drone to start. Research entry-level drones with camera capabilities suitable for your niche. ChatGPT can help you compare models with this prompt. List and compare the best budget drones for real estate/wedding/etc. photography in 2025. You'll need at least one drone with a high-resolution camera, extra batteries, a carrying case, and possibly ND filters or editing software. Free AI tools like YouTube video summarizers, e.g., YouTube Digest or ChatGPT with browsing, can also help you learn from drone reviews quickly. Step 5. Build a brand and logo with AI tools. Branding gives your business a professional edge. Use Loca's free logo generator or Canva's AI-assisted design tools to create a logo, business card, and social media graphics. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Create a brand name, slogan, and color scheme for a drone photography business targeting niche. Once you settle on a name, create a free Gmail address and reserve your handle across major platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Step 6. Create a business website using AI. A website showcases your work and helps potential clients find you. Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress, both of which offer AI-assisted design tools. For example, Wix's AI website builder can create a tailored layout based on your answers to a few questions. Ask ChatGPT. Write homepage content for a drone photography website focusing on niche. Make it sound friendly and professional. You can also ask it to write an FAQ section, service descriptions, or an about page. Step 7. Start building a portfolio. Before charging clients, you need examples of your work. Offer free or discounted sessions to local businesses or friends in exchange for testimonials and permission to use the footage. Use a prompt like, write an email pitch offering a free drone photography session to local real estate agents in exchange for a testimonial. You can also create a professional highlight reel using free AI video editors like CapCut or Runway ML. These tools can cut, enhance, and auto-caption your footage. ChatGPT can help you plan your reel with this prompt. Give me a storyboard for a 60-second drone photography promo video. Step 8. Create a marketing strategy using AI. Once your portfolio is ready, you'll need a marketing plan to attract clients. ChatGPT can write one for you with this prompt. Create a simple marketing plan for a drone photography business with a budget of $0 to $200 per month. Focus on social media and local outreach. AI-generated plans might suggest posting your best work on Instagram, tagging local venues, joining local business Facebook groups, and creating Google business listings. For email outreach, you can use ChatGPT again. Write a cold email introducing my drone photography services to local event planners and real estate agents. You can also use free AI image tools like Canva AI or Adobe Firefly to create polished social media content quickly. Step 9. Set up booking, payments, and client communication. Use free tools like Google Calendar for booking, PayPal or Venmo for payments, and WhatsApp Business or Google Voice for client communication. You can create automated responses or message templates with ChatGPT prompts such as, write a professional message confirming a drone photography session and requesting deposit payment. To make scheduling easier, use Calendly's free plan integrated with your website or email. Step 10. Launch and iterate. With your business plan, brand, website, marketing, and gear in place, it's time to officially launch. Announce your business on your personal and professional social media accounts. Consider offering an early bird special. Ask ChatGPT, write a social media launch post for my new drone photography business, offering 20% off first bookings. Track your progress and adjust your strategies monthly. You can use ChatGPT for business analysis by asking, evaluate these 3 months of business performance and suggest how I can improve client acquisition and pricing. Provide sales numbers, client feedback, and marketing data in your input. Conclusion. Starting a drone photography business is now more accessible than ever thanks to powerful, free AI tools. From market research to branding, from website content to video editing, AI enables you to operate lean and smart. With consistent effort, attention to detail, and a creative eye, your drone photography venture can take off quickly without needing a large budget. Let free AI be your co-pilot, helping you stay focused, productive, and competitive in a fast-moving visual industry. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.